Hi everyone, welcome to Bolivia, welcome to La Paz. We are in La Paz, Bolivia, in the highest city of the world. We are almost 4,000 meters high and we are with Boris Rueda from Artifice, Joyas of YouTube. I'm here in Bolivia to teach Boris a little bit about our products, and I wanna work on this bangle with applying different tools so he can keep this sample to use in his future products. And next video he will do this work himself.
Vamos a sacar diferentes texturas.
Próximo video tu trabajo.
Yes.
Similar. Okay, vamos. Tengo aquí herramientas. For example, how you say rainbow? Questa PCD, arcoides. There are many different colors.
Yeah.
First I will start with this and apply some part of my bangle. This tool is a little bit hard, so you need good hand control.
Hay que ayudarlo firme.
You use at maximum speed 50,000 RPM, and now I will combine it with diamond tools. I will use my hammerhead tool because it gives bigger cuts. This tool also a little bit difficult to use, so you must be careful.
Ese es el martillo, ¿verdad?
This is peligroso.
Ya,
Peligroso.
peligroso. Hay que manejarlo con más firmeza.
But the cut is very big, so it's shining nice.
¿Ya?
That's all. It's very quick model. You can cover your bangle with this and get this model. Now I will use another model. Let's start with background a little bit. 15,000 RPM. And I use at the other part of the bangle. I made the texture. Now I will apply a point tool on it.
¿Ya?
Point tool is a little bit hard to balance.
Para sacar los círculos.
Circular, you have to hold it 90 degrees.
¿Ya?
If you do like this, no.
Ya. Exacto, 90 grados.
90 grados, vamos.
¿Ya?
When you work point tool on rings, it's more difficult. Bangle is very easy.
Muy bien. Hay que darlo con firmeza para que no salga chueco. 90 grados, firme. Y hacemos estos círculos.
I cover all my bangle with point tools. Let's make a frame with the diamond cut on the sides, so the model is finished. I will use a mini tool, micro tool.
Los micros. ¿De cuántos grados?
140 grados.
140 grados.
Questa buono per pequeño.
Ah,
Questa.
más fino.
Here I cover. So my model is finished here.
Que le da un brillo tipo espejo y eso hace que resalte más las joyas al utilizar este tipo de herramientas.
Now I have lining tool.
Ya. ¿De
This is
cuántos
also
grados?
4 line.
Ah,
I will use it for drawing. You see now. It's quick model because I cover all the top. Now we can use another texture tool. This tool I use 7,000
¿cuántos?
RPM.
A 7.
It's a slow tool. Background tools are easy to use and they have long lifetime because they are made not diamond. Even you hit the tool, you don't crash. They are very safe. And now let's use with 140.
¿Esto es de 140?
140. I will make designs nearby.
Perfect.
and you can use. It's all about hand skill. When you have more experience, you start using better and better. Ultimo textura. The last tool, I will cover the ring and cover the bangle, and my model is finished. Okay, base finished. Now I will cover it with diamond.
Okay.
Which tool you prefer? Que
Esta que es sujetada con firmeza, ¿no?
sí, un po' difficile.
Claro, un poco complicado.
You must concentrate very well because
Yeah.
if it touch anywhere, then very dangerous. Flowers. Muy bien.
Flores.
We used a lot of different tools in this model. I show you a little bit. I start with PCD rainbow tool and combine it with 140mm diamond tool. Here you see 2mm 4-line lining tool. I made scratches. And here I made a texture tool and cover it with 2mm 140 hammerhead tool. And the next step I used another texture tool, emery wheel, and covered it 140 standard flywheel tool. And the last part I used my different texture tool and covered it with point tools and made a side different, made a frame on the side. Boris YouTube channel Artifice Joyas is pretty famous on YouTube. Don't forget to have a look here. I put the link. He is making different jewelry almost every day, every week, and putting this just to get idea how to work different jewelry. You will get idea about Bolivian jewelry, Latin American jewelry also. Boris, ¿qué dice?
Oh,
¿Todo bien?
No, solamente bien, excelente.
Bien.
Me fascina tu herramienta. Es práctica, es muy fácil de utilizar. Y el brillo que deja es un brillo que maravilla a todos que lo vean.
Sí.
Me fascina.
Sí, practice.
Hay que practicar.
You practice more several weeks, you will be a master, you will be making really interesting models. I recommend you to start immediately. Boris has already our machine and using in his production. We are in La Paz, Bolivia with Boris. We will be traveling all around Bolivia, Tiwanaku, Uyuni. Keep watching our YouTube channel because I will post more beautiful vlog videos with Boris in Bolivia. You can know much more about Bolivia. Vamos.
Vamos.
Vamos. We are with Boris in Salar de Uyuni. Uyuni desert, that's a salt desert, almost 4,000 meter altitude, 3,600 something. We will go with this car, we will go all around Salar de Uyuni, Uyuni salt lake. So with Boris, we are enjoying Salar de Uyuni together. I'm waiting for the group to come, the driver will come. We are using an old Toyota Land Cruiser, but it's really strong even after, I guess, 20 years. Salar de Uyuni Salt Lake. Uyuni Salt Lake was an ancient sea like millions years ago, and it was dried out. So all this salt stayed in Salar de Uyuni. That's how the salt lake created there. I read that the salt is almost 140 meters depth, so there are plenty of salts. They are using this salt also for industry, for kitchens, for people.